Babe. Babe. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine. I thought you're not going to be back till weekend. What are you doing here on a Tuesday morning? I thought you're not supposed to be back till weekend.
I was actually not supposed to come back till weekend, but when I went for, I was lucky enough to finish on time, so I decided to run back home to my wife. Any problem?
When did you come back? Exactly.
I came back very late. I think past 2 or thereabout. So I just wanted to come back and rest. I was so tired. You understand?
Where did you pass? Where did you pass to come to the room?
I passed through the living room, then I entered the room. What is all this question for? Babe, what is it?
It's not what you think. It's not what you think, I promise.
What exactly is not what I think? How do you even know if I'm thinking anything? What is the problem?
It's not what you think, babe. Please.
So what is not what I think? What am I even supposed to be thinking? That I go back to my house midnight and I met my wife with a stranger. A man naked in my own living room. The house I pay for. So what am I supposed to be thinking?
Baby, I'm sorry.
You're sorry? Why are you sorry? You did what you wanted to do, so how come you're being sorry all of a sudden? You brought him in. You gave him access to your body. In my house. Are you saying you're sorry? Why? Why are you sorry?
Baby, it's not my fault.
Oh.
You're never around. You're always traveling. You don't have my time. And I know you gave me money, but it's not all about money. I need you. I need you.
Do you even listen to yourself? Huh? Can you hear the rubbish coming out of your mouth? It's not about money. You give me money. It's not about this. Are you not ashamed? You should be grateful to God that you even have a man who is willing to work. Who works genuinely. No man who works genuinely will be with you 247. Unless fraudsters, and I am not a fraudster. And I try as much as possible to come back to this house every day. There's never been a time I slept out unless I'm not in Lagos. I was supposed to be in Lagos, in Abuja till now. All my colleagues are relaxing, they are enjoying themselves. But I choose to come back and be with my wife. Because I miss every moment without you. Only for me to get back to my house and you're with another man. And you're telling me it's not your fault. It's because I'm... Like, what do you people even want? You have a man that works hard. You look for time. Now you have a man that has all the time in the world without money. You look for money. What do you want? I am trying my best.
I'm sorry.
I am trying my best.
Please, I'm sorry.
What are you sorry about?
I'm sorry.
You did exactly what you wanted to do, madam.
No. It's not like that, babe. Please, I'm sorry. Please forgive me, please.
Because I caught you, right?
No.
If I didn't come back today, would I have known that anything was happening? I would still come back and see you as the woman I left in one piece, without knowing that some man somewhere is devouring my wife each time I step out.
No, baby, this is the last time. I promise. Please.
What do you want?
Please.
What do you want?
Please forgive me.
This is how men end up training children that are not their own. A man will go out scattering his head, thinking of how to come back home and provide for the family. A woman that is supposed to contribute to the happiness of the home is somewhere sleeping with men. And I'm sure that idiot that came around, you still take my money and give to him. Tomorrow he gets you pregnant, then you push it to me. You give birth and I start training a child that is not my own. What is the problem with this generation? These women in particular. See, when I go back earlier today, I thought of doing a lot of things. I had a lot of evil plans in my head. I wanted to stab the both of you to death right that moment. But no. I prefer doing things the calm way. I came back to surprise you, but it was obvious a surprise was waiting for me. But it's okay, right? We are all human. Mistakes are meant to happen. But there are some mistakes that are so intentional. There are some mistakes that we can't blame on mistake. It is what we wanted to do. You know what you do for me? Go make something nice for yourself to eat. So that you have enough strength, because your journey is going to be long. Okay? And mind you, I've called my accountant. All the account that is connected with me has been closed. Every business that is connected with me that you have access to has been withdrawn. Okay? I've called your parents. I've called everybody that knows about this marriage. You want to sleep around with men?
No.
Go ahead. But please, I would not want to see you ever again.
No.
Anywhere around my properties.
Baby, please, we can't do this now.
Please. Okay? Thank you for being a good wife.
Please.
And thank you for allowing the devil to use you according to you.
No, baby, please, baby, please.
I would like to go back to sleep. Please. I had a stressful day, and I've seen enough for one day.
Baby. Baby. Hey. Jesus.
You're still there. You're distracting me. Get out. When you get home, you tell your parents what you did, how they raised. I wouldn't want to call you a harlot, but just go.
Baby. Baby. Hey. Jesus.
Or maybe you were expecting me to do as if I didn't see nothing, right?
No.
Or you're expecting me to fold my hands and hear this rubbish that is coming out of your mouth.
No.
Get out. Get out of my house. Fool.